This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's dig into the details. We have a DXY on top. We also have Bitcoin. Huge day. Hit the like button if you saw the video yesterday. Flat top resistance. I told you guys I wanted to see this. Bam. To the upside. That ascending triangle is in effect right now. We are going to go over the technicals for the DXY, the dollar index. I want to say congratulations to anybody who's been trading, including the VIP, of course. Taking a look at the returns, it has been phenomenal in the back today. So many returns. Looking at the chart formations that we caught, the bump and run, bam, blistering, boom, to the upside when we got the CPI index. Guys, look, one trade, 57,600. Freddie, another trade, 781%. Look at Vlad, 699%. Venus, 484%. Arturo, 291%. This is VIP trading. We got Anthony with a 336, and we got Venus, 139. Look at this, guys, 118. All trades. Long, short, long, short. Look at Anthony with another 108. Then Leon rounding it out with 116 and 137. We have been in the back trading. If you're not a member of VIP, I got to tell you guys, I'm just going to focus on the ones that are. What's going on, guys? Way to go. Way to trade. Way to go. So in terms of this feature, what did I tell you guys last night? I wanted more patterning, right? I wanted more patterning. What did we find? We found the bell formation. This is on the right-hand side now. This is the DXY up here. I'm bringing this up for a specific reason so that we can compare the dollar index. Let's say on the hourly on top. You see this bullish formation on the hourly. We're going to go through MACD in one moment. In terms of what we found along that 200 on the right-hand side, this is Bitcoin. On the 200, guys, we found this expansion, this bell, rock the bell, bam, to the upside. Congratulations to all the VIP who are trading. So in terms of the challenge right now to Bitcoin, I want to be very clear in terms of the challenge. Let's go through this. Not only is the DXY in a bullish framework, it's in a bullish framework. We have to look at this. We have been trading these on Bitcoin and enjoying the profits. VIP has been doing very well, so we can't look at a bell or bump and run variation and say, well, the DXY is going to continue just to head down. This is a bullish framework. We're still in a technical bearish framework. This ascending triangle, flat top resistance, ascending line of support. Yes, we rocked, bam, to the upside. Yes, we have a higher target with this ascending triangle. Let's go through this higher target. The ascending triangle would require us to do the following. You guys know this is the danger zone. I'm going to go ahead and call it the danger zone. Getting up to and through 25,000 to 25,500. An aggressive measurement could take you a bit higher. I'll go through the details for that in the back with the VIP. But this level of resistance, that's the danger zone, guys. This level of resistance on this ascending wedge. And I'll talk about one fix that we could get through. And I'm so excited to hear the language on Bloomberg that we could be in the midst of a shift. I want to talk about the Nasdaq. Did I not tell you guys it's in a potential runaway pattern? It's in a potential runaway pattern. Absolutely. Look at the 4-hourly on the Nasdaq. Now you guys know these are the this is the cat's meow, guys. This is what the traders are trading. I'm not going to just bring up a random pattern. We're going to trade with the best, guys. In terms of this feature on the Nasdaq, potential runaway, you guys got that right. Now after breakout, and if we can avoid that 20% failure, I'm going to go ahead and say there's a 76% chance of us re-achieving the top of the wedge, this lead-in feature for the Nasdaq. That could be phenomenal. Guys, it could be phenomenal for Bitcoin and your holdings. Let's go. Now, in terms of DXY, you saw that. We have contraindications. You know that. Something's going to have to give way. I'll say that. In terms of the dominant force in the market, something's going to have to fail, and Bitcoin and the Nasdaq are going to have to succeed. That would be my preference. Okay, in terms of that, what would we look at? We would look at things like we're going to look at MACD, not only for Bitcoin, looking at the 15-minute, looking at the 30-minute, looking at the hourly, the 4-hourly, the 8-hourly, the daily. We look at the indicators to get that confirmation not only on Bitcoin, also on any correlative, i.e. the Nasdaq. In terms of the Nasdaq, understand this is London, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, and not financial advice. You guys know that. We deal with Bitcoin because it's not a security. We enjoy it. In terms of the framework, Looking at the hourly, we certainly picked up, didn't we, guys? That hourly and 15-minute were strong last night. They were the two to hang our hat on in terms of the bullish framework. That hourly and 15-minute did beautifully well. The 4-hourly has curved around, as you see that. We could go positive on the 4-hourly. Some positive momentum would be great. And that 8-hourly. That 8-hourly has surprised to the upside. Boom. Exactly what we wanted to see, in line with the daily momentum, catching back some life to the upside. That's exactly what we want to see, guys. Boom. Just huge, huge. And I told you guys yesterday, don't let the bears take the wind out of your sails. Do not let that happen, guys. It's time to be bullish. Very good. Very well done. VIP in the back. Congratulations. Really a special year thus far. In terms of this top line resistance, I want you to pay attention to this structure. Boom. You just see that we've encountered. The market has respected that top line resistance on the line on the daily. Very important. On the line on the daily. Boom. You just see that very well respected. So we're going to have to literally charge up and through this top line resistance. Ideally, guys, what would be the fix right now? If we have some new conditions, say the CPI index, inflation has been tamed a bit, has rounded around, let's say, or has gotten past the peak zone, right? What we would really hope is, let's go to the 4-hourly real quickly. We would hope that somehow, and these are not easy to craft. I'm going to tell you, it would take a fundamental shift in terms of, boom, we want to see a channel framework like this to the upside. Absolutely. And not only that, we'd really like to see, I just want to tell you, we would really like to see not only that channel to the upside, we'd like to see an accelerating trend, okay, up and out of this framework, boom, to the upside. If this is our target in the $30,000 to $32,000 range, I'm going to tell you, what do we need to get there? We need a pattern to get there. Always remember, buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. And for, I'd say, everyone who's not a VIP or who is VIP, remember, what's the rule to get to a target? We need a pattern to get to the target. That's real easy. Always make sure that you have a pattern framework to get to your target. That's what we do. We buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. I'm going to tell you, we are excited. I entered into a nice trade right before launch to the upside. It was a bell. I'm like, man, I can't not rock this bell. Bam, to the upside. So very nicely done. I know that VIP are trading. One interesting facet right now. Let's go through the 3-minute time frame. The 3-minute time frame on the right-hand side of your screen, that is Bitcoin. And the 3-minute time frame has the best look right now at a flat top resistance, ascending line of support. If we were to just deal with the target framework here, let's throw on some Fibonacci extensions. I want you all to work on your Fibonacci extensions. Bam, low to high is click 1, click 2, draw over, and we'd be looking at 24,918 as the target to the upside. Again, it's going to require us to get through the level of resistance indicated on this daily time frame. I'm going to tell you, bulls are pushing. Things may have shifted in 2022 in favor of some risk assets, and we're excited to trade Bitcoin. If you are trading and you want to trade with the right group, the number one team is here. Bottom line, look at those returns from earlier today. Let's go ahead and look at this. Just phenomenal, and I'm going to invite you to join. Looking at these returns again, 781%. Freddie, look at Vlad, 699%. Look at Venus, 484%. Just today, guys, 291%. Arturo, way to trade, guys, way to trade. Anthony, 336%. Venus, 139%. Venus with 118%. Anthony, 108. Look at these today, guys. Liam, 116 and 137. I want to encourage all of the VIP who didn't catch this move in the back. We did have some bearish targets underneath. It was just a day where you had to pull the trigger. You had to be a bull this specific move. And I'm going to bring up these trades for anyone who is looking in terms of it being not something to emulate when you can't do it, but a $57,000 move since this specific area here, boom, to the upside. That's VIP. That is VIP. We're happy to be able to demonstrate to you what the market can do. You see those types of returns, triple digits all over the board. Hugely, hugely important. important. Lots of cash coming down like rain. I'm going to go ahead and say it like rain in the VIP. You are welcome to join this specific link right here. Bam, will get you the opportunity to join or hit the link from a desktop computer on YouTube. They don't like Macintosh. From a desktop computer, go ahead and put I am VIP. I'm going to tell you guys that on the first pin tweet will put you in touch with me. Hit the reply to the first pin tweet. Get in touch with me by putting I am VIP there, and I will put you in the winner's circle. We'll put you in the back, and I'll just let you know we're having a great time. It's 2022. We are building VIP. Look at these charts. Look at this stuff in the back. Very, very nicely done. The MACD laid out, the patterns on the left. Just curated charts. Just number one style, guys. We're excited about the Nasdaq and the new CPI. Way to go, bulls. We are full of bulls in VIP. I'm excited about 2022. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.